5 best methods to delete any file. First method. Right-click on any file or icon. Then click on Delete option. Now, click on OK or press Enter key if dialog box appear. Second method. Select any file or document by single-click on it. Then press Del or Delete key. Now, click on OK or press Enter key if dialog box appear. Third method. Select any file or icon. Press Application key. Then press D key. Now, press Enter key or Y key. Fourth method. In any drive or file explorer, select any file or document. Click on Delete tab option. Then press Enter key or Y key. Fifth method. Open command prompt. Then type drive location of file or document. Then type dir command. Then type del space file name. Then press Enter key.